ACER Dynamic 33-inch series lathe, 33 by 160 inch, 6-inch spindle bore, heavy duty, large swing, long bed engine lathe. 10 great reasons to go ACER Dynamic large lathe. 1. Machine comes with 15 horsepower drip-proof heavy-duty spindle motor, 20 horsepower optional, and 4 1/8 inch standard, and 6-inch and 9-inch optional board spindle for heavy turning. 18 spindle speed range from 23 to 690 RPM on A2 to 11 6-inch spindle. 2. Headstock's rigidity and durability are derived from high tensile cast iron FC25. It's built to last. Gears are made from SCM21 steel. They are treated by cementation and precisely ground to provide smooth and quiet running. Combination of forced lubrication and oil bath system in headstock prolong life of the gears and the spindle. 3. Spindle is made from medium carbon steel S45C, induction hardened and ground to its final accuracy. Machine is supported by 3 Tonkin bearings, 2 taper rollers, and 1 cylindrical roller bearings to assure its accuracy and rigidity during heavy turning. 4. The machine uses electronic brake and mechanical brake for fast spindle stop. 5. Rockwell C55 hardened and ground bedway with terside B can guarantee long life of bedway and smooth movement on longitudinal travel. 6. Heavy duty double wall ribbed head with annealing process on the casting allows no deformation to occur on bedways. 7. Carriage and cross slideway are hardened and ground to Rockwell C55 and coated with terside B and precision hand scrape to provide wear resistance. With the forced lubrication system, the accuracy of the machine is maintained. 8. Automatic feeding and threading in apron are fully interlocked to prevent simultaneous engagement of both functions. The apron is equipped with a cone clutch device to avoid gear damage. An oil selection lever allows for an open loop or closed loop lubrication system. The machine comes with 4-direction rapid travel function to increase production. Machine comes with a 7-inch 4 11/16 diameter quill, graduated in inch and metric scale. It is made from low carbon steel and it is hardened and ground to its accuracy. Hardness of the quill is Rockwell C60. Rigid construction of the tailstock is able to facilitate heavy cutting. A 3-feed race system in tailstock provides a fine control for drilling. Simple laid-out cabinet is easy to maintain and easy to fix. The standard 24 voltage for control circuit power is harmless to operating. All electric components are UL approved and can be shipped from ACER stock immediately or can be easily found at local electrical supply houses. ACER builds 33-inch large swing heavy-duty precision engine lathes with 6 different lengths: 60, 80, 120, 160, 200 to 40 inches. ACER provides the best solution for your heavy-duty turning application.
We start with the most basic foundation for a machine. Mass construction of mehinite casting with heavy rib. To resist, flex, and damp vibration, every casting is thoroughly inspected prior to machining to ensure it is free of flaw. Machine is equipped with 15 horsepower continuous to provide high torque with 3 name brand Timken, 2 taper rollers, and 1 single roller bearing for your heavy-duty turning. All bedway are hardened and precision ground to ensure accuracy and long life of machine usage. Quality is our #1 job. ACER, the name says it all. All ACER large lathes are backed with our best service nationwide dealer network. ACER keeps large lathe full parts inventory in stock at California and New Jersey's warehouse for immediate delivery. Check on our prices for these large lathes. You will be surprised how affordable it is. Join with hundreds of ACER dynamic large lathe happy users. We hope your next lathe will be ACER.